Hello everyone, welcome to Octavia Beauty and I am Octavia. On today's video we are going to be going over products that I feel like were overhyped. We bought into the hype, we spent our money on these products, and I just don't feel like it was necessarily worth it or that I needed to buy it. It was like, no, I wasted my money. It wasn't giving me what it was supposed to give. However, we've all done it. We've all bought into the hype. We bought products that was going viral, that everyone was talking about, that was on everyone's channel, and we went out and we bought those products, and we may have enjoyed those products, but when we look back on it, did we really need it? Did those products really work as much as they said they did? So now let's get into some overhyped products. Okay guys, so the first product I have, you guys already know how I feel about the Poreless Putty Primer. I just feel like this product was really hyped. Like, people were thinking like this was exactly like the Tatcha Silk Canvas Primer. Everybody was calling it a dupe for the Tatcha Silk Canvas Primer, and it was not a dupe. Now, it did have a similar consistency, but was this a dupe? Absolutely not. I feel like this product was so overhyped because you could barely go into stores and find it. It was sold out online. It was sold out in Ulta. It was sold out in F.com, Target, Walmart. You could not find this product anywhere. Now you can find this product everywhere. And to me, I feel like this product was just a little bit overhyped because it wasn't a dupe. It was very similar. It had a similar consistency to Tatcha, but a dupe it was not. And look, if some of your favorite products are in here and you guys love these products and I don't, just know that this is just my opinion, and everybody has an opinion. So my opinion is just my opinion and your opinion is your opinion. Another product I have, you guys, I definitely feel like was overhyped was the Farsali Liquid to Powder. Oh my goodness, you could not turn on YouTube, you cannot turn on Instagram without seeing this product was everywhere. I mean, Wayne Goss did videos on it, Jackiana did videos on it, Andrew Renee, everybody was doing videos on this Farsali Liquid to Powder product. And I think this product is definitely more for oily skin people, but for me, I just don't understand it. Like, at first when I got it, I thought, oh my goodness, I needed this product. It's doing so much for me. But now it's not giving what it was supposed to have gave. Like, it's not really that great. You know how Jackiana do that little powder trick that she does where she put the powder on top of the primer until she sprays it? I feel like that works better. It works better than this. When I put this on, it leaves my face looking chalky and just crazy. And I'm just praying my foundation can cover it up. I mean, of course it's not now. Of course not. Of course not. Of course not now. Okay, but then also I left mine sitting up for a while. You guys know I work, I travel, so I'm not using my makeup all the time. And so it got hard. I don't know if you guys could see it. It's probably not going to focus. I wish that it would, but it's not going to focus on here. But in here it had sat up and it got hard. So in here I have hard pieces in here that's gotten hard that I still can't get out. And so with that being said, sometimes these pieces get in my face and I tried to get it out of here, and it probably wasn't the best thing to put it back in the bottle, but I did, and I just don't know. And this thing was like $50 something, right? And I don't even think I've used not even enough of it to justify the cost. To me, this product was just definitely overhyped. I know a lot of us probably have, a lot of people love it. I'm not an oily skin person, so maybe that's where it went wrong with me, because maybe this is meant for people who are just severely oily skinned, and so therefore I don't get a lot of use out of this product. So to me it was overhyped, and yeah, I wasted my money. Okay, so another product that I feel like was super overhyped. I don't have it because I have trashed it, but that Fenty mascara, I'm gonna put a picture up. That Fenty mascara was everywhere. I think I seen some mixed reviews. I seen some people who said they loved it, some people said they didn't love it. But when I got that mascara, I wanted to love it so bad because it was Fenty. Like, I wanted to love it, but that mascara was Okay, chalky mess. See this right here. This is how this is for Sally leaves my face looking a chalky nightmare of a mess, and I'm trying to cover that with foundation. As you can see, like some places are darker than other, and it just leaves me with my foundation looking a mess sometimes. I'll be like, what the heck, why did I put this on my face? Okay. So back to the Fenty mascara. The Fenty mascara was a tragic mess for me. Like, I put this stuff on, I would blink and it would be all down here. Foundation ruined. It's just smearing. It was everywhere. It was a complete mess. I hated it. That mascara. But I used that mascara, like, dedicated for like a long time because I wanted to love that mascara. I wanted that mascara to work. I have drugstore mascaras right now today that I'm using that was better than that Fenty mascara. To me, it was overhyped, overpriced. I had a mini one. So in my head, I was rationalizing. And I said, you know, it's probably because I got the small one. That's what it is. Octavia, you bought the small one and you didn't get the regular size one. So this is why it's messing up. This packaging is just too small for all this good mascara. But the mascara was not giving what it's supposed to have gave, and I wasted my money. Okay, so I also have the Huda Beauty Nude. Y'all remember this palette? It was everywhere. Everybody was so in love with it, and I think I finally broke down and I purchased it on sale. But however, y'all see this color story? I don't know. To me, I think it's this. Let me not steer you wrong. This is a great palette. It definitely blends well. Huda palettes are bar none with her formulas. They definitely blend well, easy to blend, smooth, highly pigmented. But I just feel like this palette is a little bit boring, and I haven't reached for it that much. Like, I probably use this palette maybe once or twice. I don't know, but I love it. When I used it, I loved it. I enjoyed it, but I don't use it. It's just kind of boring. Like, it's just kind of boring. Like, these colors over here is kind of boring. You know, she spiced it up a little over here. But anyways, I just feel like this palette wasn't giving me what it was supposed to have gave. Like, I feel like this palette was supposed to be, when I picked this palette up, I wasn't supposed to put it down. And it just did not give me that. I put it down and I reach all around it. I'm searching for others. Oh, there's got to be something else in here I can use. But however, I do love this palette. I do love the formula. I just don't use it as much as I thought I would. So therefore, I don't feel like I wasted my money. I'm glad I have it in my collection. But, you know, it was just super overhyped. This was like the best thing walking. I don't know. It's the best thing since sliced bread. But not in my book. Okay, another product I feel like was super overhyped. Y'all gonna be mad at me about this one, but it's the Benefit Cookie Highlighter. The Benefit Cookie Highlighter, man, when I got this highlighter, I just thought, you know, I had to have the cookie highlighter. Jacqueline said I had to have it. Kelsey said I had to have it. Mel said I had to have it. So many people said I had to have it, so I had to have it. But for me, the overhypeness of this, I think I use this like consistently a lot. Like, I was on it, baby. You cannot tell me I was not getting it with the cookie. But I do realize, like, this isn't the most flattering highlighter on my skin tone. Like, it's just not. Like, I do more better with highlighters that has a little gold in them or a little nudish tone. To me, this highlighter just wasn't the best for my skin tone, and I've used it and I've worn it several times, and I just couldn't get it to blend exactly like I wanted it to blend, and I couldn't get it to look exactly like I wanted it to look. But however, I continued to wear it because, baby, I was down for the cause. You know, it was a hyped up product. I had to be in the hype. I had to be in the know. Now, however, I do feel like this is a good formula. This foundation is super pigmented. I mean, this cookie highlighter was super pigmented. It definitely did what it was supposed to do. I just don't think it's the most flattering shade for my skin tone. So, in that saying, I wasted my money because she wasn't giving me what she was supposed to give. I was supposed to be using this highlighter every day today, but I don't. Like, I don't. I took this highlighter with me to Cancun, and I was using it, and I was just like, you know, I have so many more flattering highlighters at home that work. Why did I bring this one? And at that point is when I realized that this highlighter wasn't giving me what it was supposed to have gave, and it wasn't working for my skin tone. It's just not the most flattering highlighter for my skin tone. Will I still reach for it? Maybe, but if I'm going super glam and I want to look my best, this is just was not the most flattering highlighter for my skin tone. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope I didn't step on anyone's toes or make you guys feel like, you know, your products that you love, I don't love, but you know, that's just the way it is. It's gonna always be, it's gonna be some products out there that I love that you guys don't love. It's gonna always be makeup and opinions and things that people buy that we don't always enjoy, and you know, it's too late to return. So yeah, we wasted our money. I'm gonna see you guys later. Thank you so much for watching this video. And yeah, make sure you share, like, comment, and subscribe. Okay? To the Octavia Beauty channel. Become the family.